Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can log out of all your devices that are connected to your Notion account. So drop a like and now let us get started. So to log out of your Notion account, here in all of your devices, simply head over to Notion, make sure that you're logged in, of course. And after that, pay attention to that panel here on the left-hand side. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to your account settings here by clicking on settings. And here simply click on your profile name in the top left corner or a username. And here inside your profile or account settings, simply scroll down a bit till you get to the devices section here at the bottom of it. So you will see a list of all devices listed below. Now for privacy reasons, I'm not going to share that information, but you will see all of your connected devices listed below. So to log out of all other devices and all active sessions on these devices with your Notion account, simply click on that button here to the right, log out of all devices, and that is going to disconnect your Notion account with all of your devices. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you later.